Dr. Melaxin Peel Shot Review. Is it worth trying in this year? Let's find out. So first, what is Dr. Melaxin Peel Shot? So the Dr. Melaxin Peel Shot is a skincare product that has become popular because it promises a smoother and brighter skin with just a few uses. It is made with ingredients like rice extract, natural acids, and hydrating agents that help remove dead skin, clean out pores, and give the face fresh glow. The product is meant to be gentle, so it does not cause strong peeling or redness, which means it appealing for people who want results without irritation. Many customers who tried it says that they noticed change in their skin very quickly. One customer shared that after just one night, their skin felt softer and smoother. Another said that within 2 weeks, their breakouts had stopped and their pores looked smaller. Others mentioned that their skin tone became more even and their face looked brighter, so they needed less makeup. Some also liked how their blackheads faded and their skin felt cleaner and removed hydrated. However, not all reviews are positive, though a few people said that the product has a strong fragrance that bothered them. But overall, Dr. Melaxin Peel Shot appears to deliver on its gentle exfoliation and brightening promises. Does it work? For most users, they say yes, it refines texture, clears out breakouts, tightens pores, and creates a healthy glow with a few side effects. If you're chasing smoother, brighter skin, it's certainly worth trying, especially with a patch test to confirm tolerance. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.